It's summertime, and many of our client families are getting the exciting news that their kids and grandkids are heading off to the programs that they wanted in post-secondary. And it's an exciting time with lots of good news and the next chapter for a lot of these students. And I think we all have had discussions about the importance of saving for those post-secondary costs. But I think what's not discussed as much, and we definitely view it as an important topic and have a team member dedicated to being an expert on how to use those long-term savings to efficiently take that money to help with those university costs and take it out in an orderly fashion so that there's not as much tax consequences and that student is able to focus on their education, their experience, and know that the parents, the grandparents have got things figured out, and it often gives those students a introduction to our team and how we help their parents, grandparents over the years to help provide this opportunity for them to get to their next chapter.